Hello YouTube, and today it is me, JMax13, and we are going to be doing the Loot Crate unboxing of 2014. It's March this month, I think. Yep. And here we go. So here we got hashtag Loot Crate, yeah. Got the scanner, so if you put your internet scanner to this video, it should work. So here we go, diving straight into it. So here we got all the loot crates. So you can see it's from America, so it's going to be tattered. So here we go. So at the top we have this, and it says, tips for the perfect loot crate unboxing. I don't need that. First we've got a t-shirt. I'll show you the book in a minute because it's at the bottom. And here we go. Sorry about that, YouTube. And here we are, a Titanfall branded t-shirt. I like this t-shirt because it's got the pilot inside of the actual Titan. So that's a good bonus. We get the t-shirt. Here we have a fridge magnet from the Attack on Titan comic book. I will show you that in a minute. And here we are, the actual fridge magnet. I don't have a fridge in here, so I'll just put it over there. And here we have the actual book. It is Titanfall because it says Titan on it, and it's got a guy, half metal, and it's got a Titan with the TV screen. And here we've just got, if you win, lose or die, you die. If you don't fight, you can't win. That's the first page. And here we've got the Titanfall first look. If you ever want to know anything about Titanfall, just look at this. It'd be cool if you get the actual game Titanfall on this, that'd be pretty cool. And here we've got the pilot skin model, the actual Titans, and here we have the pilot doing parkour. And here we have some loot crate chats with Heavy. And I think she just is a girl gamer. I think that's why she's got loot crates. And we also have an official Titanfall e-guide. Yep, that's the model of it. I'll show you the e-guide in a minute. Yes, YouTube, I've already been through this. And here we have the Attack on Titan new comic book review. So if you ever want to know about the new book, just read this. Here we have what you can win. This is what is in the new. This is what is in this month's Mega Loot Crate. Over 700 pounds worth of merchandise. And you get a Nintendo 3DS XL Special Yoshi Edition. A Titanfall Memorial and a blueprint and a bag, plus a tablet and Xbox One for Titanfall. So whoop whoop if you win. And here we have some previous winners, or well, some previous people. And here we just have some of the stuff that are in this. So there we go, that's the book. Here we have some sweeties. Here we have some sweeties. I think you get these in every pack. Still cool. I think they're off a game or something. And here I don't need your help for this, Dad. Here we have a lanyard. And it is Titanfall-like because it's got C101 on it. And that's pretty cool because look, if you ever want a lanyard, just use this. And here we have, I think, is a sweatband. Let me just get it out of the pack here. Yeah, it's a sweatband, so if you get sweaty, wear this. Let me just put it on. So there we go, your very own Titanfall lanyard, whatever it is, sweatband. And here we have the e-guide. I'm going to show you everything but the code because I still need to redeem it. So here we go, we got the Titanfall e-guide, everything but the code because I need to redeem it. So there we go. And here we have the badge this month. Loot Crate March 2014 Titan. So there we go. We've got a Titanfall one. Hope you can see that. And here we have the actual book, Attack on Titan. Whoop whoop. Might read this. And here we got the front page. Yeah, it's probably a comic book. Yep. Look, because it's comics. That's pretty cool. And here we just have some discounts, if you want to call it. There we go. We got 30% off Yankees. And we got some Astro and Gunner. So, if you ever want any deals on sunglasses or headphones or a portable Xbox, just look at this. So I think that is everything. So I'm just going to put everything in nice order. So here we go. There we have it. This month's loot. There we go. Everything you want in Geek's life. And that's it today, YouTube. See you later, recruits.